Alright, y'all, you feel me? Welcome back to another little episode, installment, or whatever of Cozy Talk, you feel me? And today, I'm gonna be talking about something that I feel like is very important, you feel me? Especially talking about young hustlers and, you feel me, my young go getters out there, you feel me? So, over the past couple weeks, you feel me, I've been diving deep into, the stock market. And, when people hear the stock market, they usually get discouraged. People look at it as, you can make money but also lose money very fast, very volatile. The way I've been going about it, it's been working out for me in the long run. Yeah, so the stock thing has been working out for me, I've been seeing exponential growth, you feel me, over the past couple of weeks. And it's mainly because of the stocks that I've been investing into. So with that being said, I'm going to start, by letting y'all know that this right here that I'm presenting to you is called the legal trapping initiative, you feel me? Because that's exactly what it is, illegal trapping, you feel me? So basically, for anyone that's interested in the marijuana business or weed business, however you want to put it, you feel me? With legalization of weed, rising, and more and more people in the corporate world, turning their eyes on marijuana and CBD and hemp and its benefits, the stock prices and not even just stock prices but investments in other areas, retail products, different things, they're gonna get boosted, you feel me? Like OD, you feel me? Consumerism within the weed market is gonna go up. So with that being said, these stock prices, they're gonna keep on rising, and there's different stocks that y'all can invest to that deal with marijuana and things of that nature, you feel me? A few of them that I've been invested into go by, Sundial, Canopy Growth, you feel me? Another one that I know about is Tilray. I didn't hop on it in time, you feel me, before it hit that big boost recently, but you feel me? There's other marijuana stocks that y'all could get into that I could, leave in the description or whatever, you feel me? Because like I said, I've been, you feel me, making a lot of money over the past couple weeks through these stocks, and most of them are not even over, $20, you feel me? You're gonna find yourself coming across these stocks, and a lot of them are penny stocks, believe it or not, you feel me? One of my biggest gainers, the symbol for that joint is MJNA. I don't know the name of it off the top of my head, but it's a penny stock, you feel me? I invested at around 6 cents, you feel me, a share. Bought like 2,000 shares, and now it's at like 15, 16 cents a share right now. So with that being said, that's only within, a week or so, of me investing into that. I've seen it, I've been telling other people about it too, and they've been, dibbling, dabbling in it as well, and they've been seeing growth in their accounts as well. And I'm just here to say, this is something that, all my young people that's, interested in, stocks or, has an interest in, the weed business when it comes to dispensaries and, the legalization of it and whatnot. This is a good way to get yourself introduced to the money side of it and start making money off of people, consuming this product. There's a bunch of people that I know that I grew up with, met throughout college or whatever the case may be, that, partake in smoking weed. So I just look at it as opportunity for those people to really express their interests and really make money off of their, interests, basically. If you're going to continuously, be that person that smokes weed every day or every so often, you might as well invest into a weed stock or invest into some kind of company that's going to make you some type of return on that investment. Some people may look at it as like, I'm not trying to wait, days upon days, weeks upon weeks, or months upon months to see growth in my account. But sometimes playing the patient game is the better game to play, because you never know, you invested $5 into a penny stock right now could turn into $100, within, the next month. And little did you know that you need that $100 for something that came up within that month. So you gotta look at it like that, Take the little small pocket change that you would spend on, BS things. Like, if you are that person that would spend, $100 on weed in a week, try to cut that down to 50 and spend the other 50 on weed stocks, you feel me? And then try to see growth in your account on that end, you feel me? That way, next time you go to partake in that activity, you got the money for it and you got safety net, Just try to look at the whole market like that, Don't try to get too discouraged because of, the volatile markets and the charts and all of that. looking at the charts and getting discouraged because of the dips and whatnot. Don't get discouraged because, it's just gonna hold you back in the long run. If you don't take that risk now, then you will receive no gain in the end. This market is only gonna go up. Weed isn't even legal in every state yet. Once it gets federally legalized across the whole nation, these stock prices and, everything around it is just going to increase. More people are going to be invested into it and trying to make money off of it the legal way. So it's important for us, you feel me, to get on the other side of that before, the big jump happens and before people, are finding themselves in a position where it's too late for them to start investing. My main thing is, I don't want to see, mainly, my people, my black people out here, you feel me, not investing themselves in the right places, you feel me. We've been set up in a system that's trying to corner us into, going to jail or either dying because of, drugs, alcohol, and just this environment that is set up around us with the whole, ripple effect of, history, you feel me. So with that being said, I look at this as a opportunity for us to, take back some power in a sense, black men and black women, or just melanated people of all kinds have been, been oppressed and been put in positions where, they had to turn to selling drugs or doing stuff illegally just to make ends meet. And so for this opportunity to be presented to our generation, I feel like we should take advantage of it, and make money off of the legalization of marijuana and everything that comes after it, because there's a bunch of people that have went to jail and are still in jail because of shit like this. And it's just like, we can't just let the corporate America just run over us, and just continue to profit off of us. I just feel like it's time to start taking initiative and start establishing ourselves in that market, you feel me. Young black people, we have to start getting into it, you feel me. There's a lot of people that I've been looking at lately that's been giving, encouraging, financial advice, and I'm starting to see myself, falling in line in a different area now because of it, So I just advise all my peoples to, stay in tune with, these different weed stocks, you feel me. Hit me up if y'all need any information, need help getting set up. The app I use, for all of the stocks is called TD Ameritrade, and I feel like that's a good simple app for beginners and for people that's just trying to further their stock portfolio. But with that being said, subscribe to the channel, you feel me. Follow me on the gram, Cozy Hollywood, Cozy Candace, you feel me. And staying tuned for the next video, you feel me. I appreciate y'all, staying tuned in, staying subscribed, and always liking. I appreciate y'all support, and I'm gonna hit you with a video real soon, you feel me.